Hello, everyone. My name is Annie, and this is my teammate Lynn. We are going to present our project with Re-engage. Okay. So the problem here is churn is an outcome, but it doesn't have to be the first signal. Okay. So by the time they are flagged as a high, churn risk is often too late for an intervention. That's why we came out with Re-engage. So re-engage, we are using a signal and a customer state, and we're going to put the intervention window where it's going to process uh, the friction, the doubt, and the detachment, and then to detect the churn high risk. And then
Okay, so here for our paradigm shift, it basically shows how our product is different than others. And so what Reengage does is that we try to approach from a different perspective in terms of user's sentiment, psychologically. So instead of just asking what, we actually do ask why a certain things happen in between our customers' training.
So this is a signal to intervention roadmap where you can see our machine can actually understand, detect, and do the scoring, correct? And then come up with a diagnose, recommend, and also we have an human input so that we come up with a reliable measurement of the scoring. This is our system architecture. As you can see, we are using Python data and web, and also using React Native interface.
So here's our emotion extraction layer. And to be precise, we're actually using a Roberta model that has been backed by peer-reviewed research. And basically what it's capable to do is basically to classify text into 7 different emotions. And so our general interpretation rule is that emotion is not churn probability. So for example, if the model returns 82% anger, then it means that the model is 82% confident that the text expresses anger. But yeah, it does not mean that the customer has 82% probability of actually churning. So yeah.
So the decision support interface is actually where we can collect all the data and put it into a long-term memory and to make the machine become more smarter in the future and for future improvement potential. So when we create an AI machine thinking, we have to come up with a responsible AI principle too, as we have to take care of customer privacy and, of course, the safety. So the impact that we are trying to bring into the real world is to enable better customer service success and fewer inappropriate discount and earlier friction detections.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, you have to go now.